Alright guys, how's it going? With all the talk about recce rigs, I figured I would give you a look at new rig I just picked up and how I'm setting it up. That is the Mayflower Jungle Kit, and with a couple extra pouches added on there, but basically it's like a modern Alice web gear. It's a pretty nice H-harness. My first impressions are pretty good. I haven't used it in the field yet, so I will get back to you. But basically, the idea for this rig is it's set up. It's kind of a long-term sustainment rig for infantry operations. It's a more realistic like loadout I would take with me on a mission if I didn't have my ruck. Or this is kind of the amount of gear I like to have on me when my ruck is behind in the patrol base. So starting out, on each side, I have one of these pouches that carries 3 M16 magazines. So I keep them in there like this, like a traditional Alice M16 pouch. I've seen guys stack them in other ways in there, but that's how I like to keep them. This right here is a GP pouch, and in that I have some of this gear I have all laid out, but I want to show you how what all I'm carrying in here, and then I'll show it to you all set up. And then I have one of these on each side, and then on either side of the butt pack I have these Velocity water bottle pouches, and they're pretty decent size, and they have a little pocket in them for iodine tabs. And then this is the Velocity butt pack that was previously on my HSGI belt kit, and on the flap I just attach another Jungle Rig magazine pouch, and I use Alice clips on the back to hold it down on both sides. And that's where I keep my life straw and some of the water stuff. So again, water bottle pouch. This is a HSGI bleeder with the first aid stuff, and GP pouch, and then a M16 pouch again. So as you can see, total I'm carrying 6 magazines in this rig. I have 2 Nalgene bottles, one on either side. This one's got the canteen cup in it, and keep that for boiling water, obviously. My IFAK, nothing crazy. Cat tourniquet, Israeli bandage, quick clot gauze, compression dressing, a Z-fold one that you can stuff, and a SWAT tee. That fits all pretty snugly inside of the bleeder pouch. Then I just keep some quick carbs on me for energy. And moving down, got a Petzl Headlamp, extra batteries. This is the same thing you've seen in my rigs before. It's a cut VS17 panel, some razor blades for my outdoor edge, skin and knife, space blanket, iodine tabs, signal mirror, compass, and a cigarette lighter. I usually keep this in a cargo pocket. That way, if I have to ditch my kit, I at least have a little survival kit on me. But in this instance, it'll probably just go in one of the pockets in the rig. If this is in my rig, I'm carrying something similar in my pockets. Case in point, I usually carry 3 compasses on me. I have 2 orienteering compasses like this, and then I'll wear a button compass on my blouse or my jacket. If you've ever been lost before or had a compass demagnetize on you, it's not fun. So I like to have 3. Everybody carries 2 compasses, but if one of them's wrong, how do you know which one's right? That's why I carry 3. Could 2 out of the 3 be wrong? Yeah, I suppose, but less likely to happen. So I usually carry 3 compasses on me. Here I just got range cards, marking SOPs, some stuff like that, and a VS17 panel that goes inside of the boonie. Moving right along, I got the life straw, some more aqua tabs. This is just dryer lint and some quick fire things for tinder. Sharpie, extra Bic lighter, blast matches, blast match, storm-proof matches, and some duct tape. Another space blanket, a couple chem lights, a Gerber, whatever the frickin' black issue Gerber is. One freeze-dried ration, some zip ties, cordage, one of those multicam patches for your uniform, spork and a knife, and a little bandolier I use as a tool roll for a lot of this stuff. Then a schmog, weapons cleaning kit, wool glove inserts, aviator gloves, and the Nomex ones, micro fleece cap, and toilet paper, and a Right in the Rain. So with all this stuff together, I can pretty well do sustained operations for a decent amount of time. So I'll keep you guys posted on how the kit turns out, but basically this is the loadout I'm going to be running for a while, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just filmed the part of the video where I had my kit all emptied out and laid out. And this is what it looks like with everything intact, okay, all loaded up. So, get my rifle out of the way. Real quick, go over some of the features of this rig. These pouches are all made with this helium whisper material that sheds water, and the back of them has this nice adhesive rubber material that stays in place, so it's very comfortable. I like these pouches. I use this butt pack for quite a while, and I'm looking forward to trying out the rest of the rig. They're pretty lightweight, so just from wearing these around the house and sizing it, trying it on, so far I like these shoulder straps better on this rig than the HSGI ones. They're not as bulky, they're more breathable, and honestly they're a lot more comfortable. There's some pretty significant padding on the straps, and it's just like a simple H harness like you'd expect on a chest rig. It's got a chest strap on it. I just put paste beads on there, and it connects to the magazine pouches just like your kind of standard belt order would, and to the butt pack. There's loops on the butt pack. It's nice. It's a 6-point harness instead of like a 4-point on some older school rigs, and that gives it some pretty good comfort. So as you can see, all that stuff I had laid out is in here. Only thing I'm going to add is my poncho. I'm going to put under the lid of this. I haven't done that yet. So yeah, that's how I have the kit set up, and it's pretty comfortable just wearing it around and sizing it and doing some dry fire stuff from it. I practiced some reloads from it, getting in the prone and whatnot, and it's comfortable. I'm looking forward to using it. This is the pad. So I bought this all in separate pieces, just over time as I could afford it. So this isn't the exact jungle belt. This is the, I forget what the name of it is, but it's from Velocity. It's the belt pad that they make, and it is a lightweight water shedding material. One thing I like about it is it has a Velcro side right here, so you could attach it to an inner belt. If nothing else, it just hugs your outer garment and keeps it snug from moving around too much, which is nice. I believe the regular jungle belt just comes with like your standard Fastex buckles, like a 2-inch Fastex buckle. This is a belt from Velocity that I got separately that's just ran inside of it. It's a Cobra buckle, like gunfighter belt or whatever. And me personally, I like the Cobra buckle. It's rugged, it's all metal, and it just snaps in, snaps off pretty easy. I'd like to find a belt extender for this for the winter time, just so I don't have to adjust the belt over a jacket, but so far it's pretty nice. We'll see. I'm going to take this out tomorrow and probably take a little video of me rocking with it. I'm planning on wearing this and taking out a medium Alice pack to put on top of it and see how it does, but yeah, that's how I have the rig set up right now, and looking forward to getting some time in the field with it. I'll keep you guys posted.